All right, what's going on, everybody? So we're going to talk about gold, but before we go into gold, I'm going to go on to the DXY to be able to show you something real quick, because you already know that the DXY correlates with the US dollar, and obviously gold correlates with the US dollar as well. So let's look at the DXY and see what is forming. So we see that price on the higher time frame at least needed to get to a higher low, and it's needed to for a while now. We did have a strong push up, but it didn't technically create a higher low. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right, didn't technically create a higher low. Technically 38.2 would create that, and it didn't. Right, so let's go to this area right here, and we see price started to push down to this monthly, pushed up a little bit, and then continued its way down. So I see price getting to at least the 38.2 range at the least, no matter what. So still has some space, and this is what I put out into our Telegram. So if you're not in our Telegram, in the description below, you'll be able to actually get the Telegram information, so you can be able to get into there and be able to see what I put in there from time to time. So it still has about 60, I guess you can call them pips, to be able to get to this area right here. Right, which is a level of support. But if it doesn't stop there, then if anything, it'll probably continue to this 50% or to this monthly. I doubt it'll get to the 61.8. If it does, that'll be pretty interesting. But anywhere within this range, it should slow up, and then from there probably continue its way going forward. Let's look at the higher time frame as well. Now, why does this matter? Because the US dollar controls what gold will do, right? So if anything, I wouldn't be surprised price will probably stop at this 38.2 and continue its way moving forward, being the fact that the weekly has been on an uptrend. Okay. All right. So actually, let me see this right here. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because anytime that you actually subscribe, you can be able to see these videos first. So price doesn't really get to 38.2, right? But price finally gets to about 50%. So point A, point B, and I think point C over here would be a clear indication. And it'll continue this way going forward based upon the daily. So let's look at the H4 real quick before we go into gold. And yeah, I think we're good there. So gold. Now, again, same thing, just like the US dollar, price was continuing its way forward to the downside right here, and it was really going to this area pretty quickly. And I see price kind of getting to this 38.2 at the least. But what's pretty interesting is the fact that there's confluence between 50% and this weekly key level right here. So if anything, within this zone over here would probably be where my take profit would be. Me personally, I'm only going to 38.2. If it gets to 50%, then I miss out. But this is mostly where my take profit would definitely be for when it comes to gold. And if anything, after that, let's look at what the weekly is saying. After that, I think it'll probably break out of this this major monthly cone that is formed. So once it pushes up, if anything, I wouldn't be surprised it'll continue its way down, being the fact that it's been a downtrend when it comes to the weekly time frame. But for the monthly, when it comes to gold, obviously it's pushing forward. But I wouldn't be surprised that the US dollar is probably getting a little strong when it comes to gold. But if anything, if this helps you out at any point in time, leave a comment. Once you have a question, anything like that, leave a comment right away. If you are thankful for these videos, leave a comment. Whatever it is, leave a comment, and go ahead and subscribe. Once you subscribe, you get the opportunity to be able to have a one-on-one with me. 5 lucky subscribers we would have a one-on-one with me. So go ahead and like and share this if you believe this video will help somebody else out as well. All right, really appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next chart breakdown. Let's get it.